The purpose of the Youth Monitoring Dashboard is to enable quick and easy access to data about young people and the youth sector in Estonia. There are two ways to use the dashboard: as a registered user or as a guest. By logging in, it is like an information dashboard in your home, where you can edit, move or selectively display figures, for example by region or by sector. When you use the dashboard as a guest, it is like being in a public space with all the same facilities. But when you leave, the cleaner sets things up as they were before you came. You can download the figures on the dashboard as a table, as an image, or in machine-readable format. This way, you can, for example, add your own data from other sources to the tables, include the figures from the dashboard in your presentation, or even print them out. Use the Youth Monitoring Dashboard and make informed decisions.